This is the setup configurator. It was launched last week from Elgato, and it is a free area of their website built on top of an actual video game engine that allows you to build your own 3D streaming setup using, of course, Elgato streaming products. And we're gonna take a look at that and see if it's actually useful, and then we're also gonna try to build the most ridiculous setup we can think of. So let's get to it. So this is free to use on Elgato's website. I'll link to it down below for you to play around with. What is it that you can actually do on this? You can see over here on the right, we've got a bunch of different products that we can drop on, such as the Stream Deck XL. You can click on it and rotate it around, and you can click this button. It'll actually take you to the page to, of course, purchase it. And you also have two different options: workstation and studio. Outside of that, it's the same room. More daylight setting and then more of night. That's what you got here. And you can add in different products like the face cam, which we'll just click and drag that on here. Notice that as I move this camera around, it actually will show the view on the monitor. Okay, well in that case, let's make a setup cam. So we're gonna go ahead and grab a wall mount, and we'll throw it up here at the top of the room. And then let's grab a face cam and drop it on there. And we're gonna get up here, rotate it so that it can actually face our setup. Let's see what this view looks like right there. Boom, there we go. You can see we have got ourselves a nice setup cam for the stream. So that's just a little taste of what this can do. Honestly, the most valuable part of this is probably just the mounting and seeing what works and how it works. So for example, if I'm thinking of buying this Wave mic arm, I can actually test out the movement on here to see what exactly rotates on this and what doesn't. So now that we know what it can do, let's take things really to the limit here and just build the most ridiculous setup possible. So the first thing we've got to do here is add a little backdrop to this wall. Every design I see kind of looks like something that may be not family friendly, but hey, let's just roll with it. We'll make these two blue for whatever reason. We definitely have got to get more face cams on here. I want to see how many we can get going here. We've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 face cams, folks. Nice. That is beautiful. Now with that much camera action, we definitely got to add some more lighting here. So let's go ahead, throw on another key light. And because we really want to make this thing ridiculous, let's just add ring lights to the sides of both. Why not? All right, things are looking good so far, but I feel like we're not there yet. We need more cameras. I'm gonna take advantage of these wall mounts here. We're gonna add in some more cameras. That, my friends, is looking much better. Now, I definitely think we need more than one Stream Deck here because we're trying to make this thing legit. So let's go ahead and just pack this desk full of some Stream Decks. All right, now we're looking good, okay? Now we've got enough where we can run all of our scenes properly here. Is it possible for me to build an RGB light strip using just Elgato Stream Decks? Let's find out. All right, so that's as far over here as Elgato will let me build. So we're gonna have to finish the wall over here. The haters said it couldn't be done, but we have successfully built an RGB lighting strip built entirely out of Stream Decks. So I don't know about you, but I would say that is a ridiculous setup that nobody would ever need. We could surely add more, but you get the point. Now, the other thing you can do on this is you can actually take pictures of your setup that you build from any angle. You just find the angle that you like, and then you just go over here. So let's say we like that. Up here, you just hit that capture screenshot button and then it goes ahead and it downloads a photo for you. So let me know what you think of my just absolutely ridiculous streaming setup here. If you like it, if you like the video, if it was entertaining at all or somewhat informative, hit that like button. And of course, if you like videos on setups, gear, tips, all that kind of stuff, do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, my name is Brandon Hassler, and this is Tech Audit TV.